Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine.
Okay, today is the test. Surah name है Juz name. Till the Juz?
Till the Juz 10.
10. Fine. So let's start. First question is, what is the meaning of alif laam meem in the Juz alif laam meem?
Alif laam meem is a huruf muqattat because it is alif laam meem. It's set with letters, so it's huruf muqattat.
What is the name of Juz number 3rd?
Tilka Rusul.
Fine. And there is a very powerful ayat in the Tilka Rasul. What is that ayat?
Ayatul Kursi means the Allah's throne.
What is the name of Juz number 4?
La Tanadu.
Now, after Surah Baqarah, which surah starts?
Surah Imran.
And how many ayat in Surah Imran?
200.
200. Fine. Okay. Now you tell me, what is the name of Juz number 5?
The name of Juz number 5 is one of Sonat.
Now you tell me, which surah it has? Juz number 5.
It has Surah Nisa,
Surah Nisa. What is the meaning of Nisa?
the woman.
And how many ayat in Surah Nisa?
It has ayat 176.
Fine. And what is the name of Juz number 6?
La Hifdullah.
Which surah it has?
It has two surahs, Surah Nisa and Surah Maida start.
How many ayat in Surah Maida?
120.
Okay. And now you tell me, what's the name of Juz number 7?
Waila Sami'u.
In which Juz Surah Al-Araf is there?
8.
8. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Araf?
The height.
In Surah Imran, Allah has mentioned which battle?
Uhud.
Battle of Uhud. What is the name of Juz number 9?
Qal al-Malak.
Juz number 10. There is a surah in Juz number 10 which has no Bismillah. Which surah is this?
Surah Tawbah.
Surah Tawbah. And Allah has mentioned about which battle in Surah Tawbah?
Battle of Tabuk.
Fine. And now you tell me, what is the meaning of Tawbah?
The repentance. To ask forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Now it is done till the Juz number 10. I will take the next test next time. Fine?
Yay!